Jake, what are we doing today?
Samples and surveys.
9.1 or 9-1 samples and surveys. And Austin, what is the ICANN?
I can identify samples methods and recognize biased samples.
Good. So the sampling methods would be your vocab, 3 through 7, right? And your recognizing biased samples would be main idea number 2, in which I gave you a couple of examples of which you had to determine the population, the sample, and then the bias. So I'm going to skip right through the vocab here and go down to number 3 and tell you that you need to know a random sample and be able to identify when a random sample is being used as a survey. A systematic sample, same thing. A stratified sample, same thing. A convenience sample, same thing. And a voluntary response sample, same thing. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in vocab, you need to be able to pick out if those are the strategies being used to survey or to sample a group of people. Questions on that? Okay. Down to part number 2 here, analyzing samples. Here's the situation, or here is the circumstance for number 9. Sorry for the mistake here, but a record store manager asked customers who made a purchase how many hours of music they listen to each day. So population, think of that as the big group. Population would be the customers. The sample, we're narrowing it down now. The people who made a purchase, because he only asked people who made a purchase. And then the bias would be their music people, so they probably listen to more music than just a regular person, right? Mostly music people would be at a music store. And then number 10, Ahmed said, make sure you read it carefully. An 8th grade student council member surveys classmates about a new school mascot. Population would be the students in the school. The sample would be just the 8th grader because he's only surveying his classmates, it says. And then the bias would be only asking 8th graders, so only 8th graders are giving input on what that mascot would be. Questions, comments, quandaries, quibbles, quotes, or queries?